Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on your Facebook account. So currently, I am already on Facebook. This is just a group page right there. I can simply go on home over here. However, I just want to check on groups right here, okay? So as you can see also, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So if you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, if it's still there, not quite sure though, even Opera. As long as you have access to the internet, everything should be fine. So with this one, please log into your Facebook and go to your settings. How can we do that? Just hover your mouse on your profile, click on this little gear icon that says settings and privacy, click on settings right there, and you'll be redirected on this landing page. Now from this one, click on this see more accounts in account center. So our target here is we need to go to account center, okay? And then with this one, click on the Facebook profile, also with Instagram because they're interconnected. And as you can see here, this is the username option right there. Simply click on it. You can also sync. If you're not, just change your name or username right there. And with this one, you can simply change it. Again, changing your username will also change your Facebook timeline address, which is gonna be the URL right there, okay? And with that, that's how you change your username on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.